In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zoho CRM Org ID using our comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're setting up integrations, accessing support, or managing your settings, finding your organization ID in Zoho CRM can be an essential step. So, let's walk you through this process in precise detail to ensure you know exactly what to do. Let's kick things off on the Zoho CRM homepage. This is the primary destination you see right after logging into your Zoho CRM account. It's important because this is your starting point for accessing all other features and settings. Make sure your login details are correct, and once you're in, you'll notice a variety of tabs spread across the interface. Now, we need to direct our focus to the highlighted area. Usually this section stands out with a bright color, making it easy to spot. Clicking here is crucial as it leads us to the specific settings you'll need to adjust. It's important to ensure that you click on the right highlight, as this will guide you through to the next step smoothly. Once you've zeroed in on the highlighted area, the next move is to transition into the company settings. This is an integral section where you gain access to various critical aspects of your CRM setup. Not only can you modify essential settings here, but it is also precisely where we aim to find the information today. Upon clicking Company Settings, you'll arrive at a page filled with a variety of options and sections all related to your company's details. Now let's turn our attention to locating Access URL within these company settings. The Access URL acts as a pivotal gateway containing vital information about your Zoho organization. By clicking on this section, you unlock access to key details that distinguish your organization in Zoho's ecosystem. For the final step, focus on the URL itself when you click on it. Here, you will find your organization's identification number embedded within the appearing URL on the screen. This number could appear either as a straightforward numerical sequence or as an alphanumeric code. It uniquely identifies your organization's account within Zoho CRM. And that wraps it up. By following these clear steps, you can easily access and identify your Zoho CRM organization ID without any hassle. This tutorial not only helps you locate this important number, but also boosts your understanding of how to navigate through Zoho CRM's complex settings effectively. Remember, knowing how to find these details will make many of your CRM management tasks far easier. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide was useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.